Oh my god. It's Krampus. You see, I wasn't shocked at all. I've gotten this so many times. Well, it's not because I've gotten it so many times, it's because, you know, it's not rare at all. Okay, whatever, let's go. I asked earlier, Krampus first or Doomsday first, then I guess it was Krampus, and most people actually said Doomsday, so they were wrong. Ow! Hold on. Oh, okay, that's cool. Alright. Loser, I got 3 Krampuses in one day once. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. And one of them was even merged with Dust Devil. That was crazy. I wish it was merged with your Doom, that'd be cool. Actually, in Spookfest, I only got 2 Krampuses in Spookfest. Out of Spookfest, I've gotten like 4 or 5. No, like 3, 4, or 5. I've gotten at least 4. 2. 4. How many have I gotten? I have to go because I record every single one, so. Overload, I dare you. If it's overload, I'm gonna fart. Okay. Say wait. Oh, this reminds me, I forgot to upload that one day. I got a cute Krampus from Twisty once. It wasn't my Twisty. I didn't see it. I didn't see the Twisty, but a cute Krampus. And it was my friend's. My friend was with me, and it was his first Krampus. And I forgot to upload it, so I guess I'll do it after this video. Do not the avalanche for real. Okay. I think it just did. No, it did spikes. Is it just me or does it seem so different? Oh! I didn't realize that. How? Oh, oops. I hate typing on this computer. You guys can probably hear the keyboard. It's so annoying. Just listen to it. Listen to it. It's like. Why does it sound like that? It's. Did I just change the font? What did I just do? Haven't I said the full theme of this? I love it. I love this theme so much. Your easy Krampire is. I put Scrampus. Scrampus. That's his new name. Scrampus. Wow, I do not know how to type. I feel like no one really cares if you miss Krampus because it's not like it's rare, but it's not like God damn it. Wait, did I just... Oh, fuck. Wait. I found a way how to not hold shift. Just like on mobile. Oh my god. Okay, hi Jacko'Nado. How are you doing today? Do you guys like my laptop videos like these, or my laptop videos like I use my phone to record the screen of the laptop? This is my favorite theme of the game. I love this game. I love this theme so much. This is the best theme ever. Yay! I win. I win. These cars have survived the wrath of Krampus. I'm sorry. I'm goddamn tired, okay? And it's lagging way bad. Why is it not starting? The server is so slow. Ow! I just got freaking shoved by a tree. Blaze, I will save you! From nothing, because the disaster's all over, but whatever, no one cares. Only 2 died? Is he being drowned right now? Is he drowning? Is he drowning? Oh my god, I gotta save him. He's gonna die. Okay. Stop it! Stop! He's drowning, I have to save. Fuck! Get... Fuck! Nah! Okay. Well, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Fuck, I forgot. I keep forgetting I have to click this and then I can say goodbye.